Hello. Mau bikin 2 flavors. Wedding cake.
Good.
Nongkel. Satu laginya wedding cake. I want the pink one. Yeah. Everybody, it's me again, Diana. Today we're gonna make something special. Cake balls. I got the recipe from this book. So the ingredients we need: vanilla cake, the filling. This time I'll use cream cheese filling and melted chocolate and rainbow sprinkles. And that's all, guys. This big spoon. Yeah, I will put this. And now the filling. Ini fillingnya. So I use 500 grams of vanilla cake. Now the filling, I use 150 grams of cream cheese. I can't do it, Mama. So sticky.
Yummy sticky.
And now we are going to turn on the mix down. So this is the dough that we're looking for. I can put it one big lumps. And now we're going to make out a cake ball. The dough sounds very yummy. Yeah, it means I want to get it. Oh, I want the dough. Make sure to wash our hands really clean. So it's very easy, guys. I'm just gonna scoop it and get it out of the spoon.
And then I'm gonna make the ball.
Whoa, so big!
It's big.
So I'm gonna finish the whole bunch.
Mama bantu ya.
Is this too big or is this too small?
Perfect.
So perfect! Very, very perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now we're gonna chill these little balls for about 30 minutes. While the cake balls are sitting in the chiller, I prepared the melted chocolate and the sprinkles. I have chocolate sprinkles and rainbow ones. So these are the cake balls. They are cold and hard. See? Dun, dun, dun. I'm gonna dunk the cake ball into the chocolate. Plop. Bury until it's warm and hidden. Bury till it's in a pile. Scoop it out when you see it. When you see a lump. Sprinkle. Every day is a sprinkle party. Treat yourself to that sweet sunshine. Help yourself to anything you buy. It's sprinkle time. I want to eat this cake ball. Is it yummy? It's yummy! Alright guys, so these are the cake balls. You guys try it at home. I like it so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and see you next time. Bye-bye. I just made another cake ball.